What if I told you that YouTube helped me to earn $14,291 in commissions with affiliate marketing using free traffic and just in 27 days from the first day of December until the day 27. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact system I used, so make sure to watch till the end to learn how you can do it too, okay? I will share everything, my methods, my strategies, and so much more, new services, new audience, and let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. It's super easy. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate, okay? And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website to get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay? You guys can check this website. Anyway, if you just click here on join now, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. And choose your country from here and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see commissions, clicks, CTR, regressions, first time buyer, and so on. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commissions. You cannot promote any services. You need to choose services that people will be interested to buy from you, okay? So how you can choose good services? So pay close attention to this step. You just need to go and open your YouTube homepage. So why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has like 29 billion monthly visitors. Yes, you guys can see 29 billion monthly visitors. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And you can get millions of visitors from YouTube to your affiliate account website, okay? So here is what you will do. You will click here on the search and you will ask question. For example, I'm gonna ask let's say how to run ads for, and here you go. You guys can see YouTube will give you a report search prediction. YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is what people are searching for. People are searching for how to run ads for Shopify store, how to run ads for clothing brand, how to run ads for drop shipping. Okay, let's pick this topic, the first topic, how to run ads for Shopify store. Those people who are searching for this topic, they have money, okay? They have money. So if you want to run ads for Shopify store, you need money that you will invest in Facebook ads or Instagram ads to run ads for your product, okay? So those people has money, but they don't know exactly how to run ads for Shopify store, okay? So what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr. I will go back to this Fiverr homepage and I will click here on the search and I will search for Shopify ads, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of expert sellers here on Fiverr who provide this service on Fiverr. So those people has experience and they know exactly how to run ads for Shopify store, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good seller. So how you can choose good seller? Always check the reviews. See how many reviews those sellers has. Sellers who has a lot of reviews, more than 100 reviews, those sellers are good sellers. And sellers who has levels like this one, level 2, or this one, top rated seller, or this one, Fiverr choice, or pro sellers, those sellers are good sellers for you that you can use to promote this service as an affiliate marketer on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to choose the service. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. You guys can see this one has 5-star, a lot of reviews, customer feedback. This is a video of his customers, which is good. I will click on this service like this. Just click on the service that you want to use, scroll down, and here you go. You guys can see 2 orders in queue. I will create a run, manage Facebook ads campaign, Shopify TikTok ads. This one can make Facebook ads and TikTok ads, and he can also make Instagram ads. I'm sure it's almost like Facebook ads. So what you will do next, you will copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. Okay, you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So what we will do next, we will go back to this seller profile page. So you guys can see that this seller has a video which is really good. Let's check his video.
I would like to speak about a gig that I selected 2 weeks ago from Adil that was.
So this is his customers' feedback. They are talking about the service and they are satisfied and they are happy with the results, which is really good. This video will be really helpful for us to promote our affiliate links on YouTube. So what you will do, double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it as Shopify, for example. Click on save. Okay, and here you go. So what you will do next, pay close attention. Go back to Google and search for Canva. Okay, search for this website. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, it's for free. This will be your home page. Click here on video, okay, and click on YouTube video here. Okay, you should see YouTube video. Click on YouTube video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload file and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. So let me show you. Download here. I'm gonna hit, and here you go. This is my video. Click on open. And here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video. Just click on the video that you uploaded and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points and scroll down and click on set video as a background. And here you go. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click here on text. Okay, click on text, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use and your text will be over here like this. I will delete this one, it's not good, and I will keep using this one. I will decrease the font size of this text. I will put this text here, double click and write this sentence: check my website in description. Okay, check my website in description and put this sentence. I'm gonna decrease the font size and okay, and here you go. Let me make it like this and put this one here and go over here and click on elements. Just click on elements and scroll down. Let me show you. and go over here to shapes and choose this one. You can choose this one or this one, it's almost the same, and put this shape behind your text like this. Okay, it's super easy. Show you, and here you go. Okay, to make the text looks clear and good, you guys can see, check my website in description. So people who are searching for how to run ads for Shopify, they will watch this video on YouTube. Okay, they will see this, check my website in description, we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and that's it. Okay, so what you will do next, click on share and click on download. Let me show you. Over here, click on download, and this video will be downloading to your laptop. After you finish, go to YouTube, open your YouTube channel. It's for free. You first need to verify your YouTube channel so you can start adding affiliate links in your YouTube description. To verify your YouTube channel, you need to use your ID or any ID, maybe your brother or your mom or your dad. You can use, anyway you should use ID card to verify your YouTube channel so you can start adding affiliate links in your YouTube description. Okay, and after you create your YouTube channel, go and just click here on upload the video, and put this title exactly like this: how to run ads for Shopify. Okay, in your YouTube description, create this sentence. If you are looking for how to run ads for Shopify store, check my website below. Go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. Okay, so for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one. It's almost the same. Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. This is exactly the system that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, and this is how I make over $15,000 every single month just with this Fiverr affiliate marketing business. Okay, using free traffic. If you can create your own content, it's gonna be really better. If you can't, use just those videos from Fiverr, but upload those videos as Creative Commons, because a lot of people will watch this video, and if you guys uploaded the same video, it's gonna be a problem. So upload those videos as Creative Commons and you will be good. Okay, this is exactly, use YouTube search, see what people are searching for. Go to Fiverr, search for services related to what people are searching for, and start promoting those services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, this is exactly how we can make a lot of money with this business model. Okay, it's super easy, but you need to stay consistent, you need to improve your content, pay attention to your titles, your description, your YouTube thumbnail, and see, upload the videos. First you need to upload a lot of videos so you can see which videos are doing better, and you will double those videos that are doing better and avoid what's not working. This is how you can scale your affiliate marketing business to 5k 10k per month. Okay, I do have an affiliate marketing for people who are asking. You guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description. Inside my affiliate marketing course, this is exactly what I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you how you can create content. I'm teaching you which services you should start promoting, which services you should avoid. You will get access to me personally, so I can follow up with you and see how you are doing, which mistakes that you are doing, which mistakes you need to avoid, and so much more. Okay, if you guys are interested, you can reach out to me, and of course you can also use those free methods that I'm sharing in my YouTube channel. A lot of people are reaching out to me in my email, and they are thanking me for this methods. They are asking me to make more videos, share more services. This is exactly what I'm doing. I'm really happy for you guys that you started making results with this methods. Of course, you can. People who will stay consistent always will succeed. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.